Apple is doing everything they can to suppress the leaks. M1X leaks, iPhone 13 leaks, the iPad Pro leaks, whatever leaks there are. They're doing everything in their power to suppress those leaks. But they've taken it a step too far. Here's why. Let me set the scene. A few weeks ago, FrontPageTech.com published an exclusive article stating that Apple is going to use police-grade body cams to capture the leaks. Every single employee will be wearing a police-grade body cam. Now, we're not sure exactly in which divisions. It could be in manufacturing, it could be in project development, but we know certain projects are getting these body cams, people on these product teams. Teams like the AR glasses team will definitely be using these body cams. And this is an attempt to get rid of the leaks. These leaks, they ruin the narrative in a lot of ways. Apple can't tell the narrative if it's leaked. Apple can't tell their story like they want it to. Apple is being forced, their hand is being forced because people already know what the product is, so they can't actually tell the story, they can't actually reveal the product themselves, which is fair enough. This is an issue. In a lot of ways though. Body cams are not the way forward. Body cams provide a serious risk for privacy. What if you don't want to wear a body cam? Because the right to your privacy. What comes in then? Apple would have to employ a whole division of employees dedicated to data protection, sifting through this data, and it's a bit over the top. Samsung embraces their leaks. Google, I don't think we've ever had a Google Pixel that's launched that we hadn't seen in full. But the fact that Apple is turning to police-grade body cams, which includes a microphone, an IR blaster, it includes cameras, everything, and a battery. The fact that they're doing that, it says a lot about how far they're willing to go. As far as threatening Concept Creator and a few other creators who collaborated with leakers such as Jon Prosser. Concept Creator who made the AirPods Max renders and the AirTag renders for Jon Prosser that turn out being incredibly accurate. Yeah, he got an email off Apple saying, yeah, no, we like your stuff, we're happy that you like the products, please don't actually do this. Don't make renders for unreleased products for certain people based on the leaks, because it ruins the Apple's ability to tell their narrative, to tell the narrative of the product, to introduce the product to the world. And that is both sides of the argument for the Apple body cams and how Apple is tackling leaks. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or join the Discord. Linked as always in the video description. My name is Connor, and I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.